I'm Joey Lowe, resident artist here at Springfields Festival Gardens. My use of splatter art is a way of creating different depths and textures without necessarily having so many rules and constraints in the art I'm creating. It also allows everyone to take part, and no matter your skills or abilities, you're able to contribute in some way. I have brought with me a selection of some of my artwork which is currently on display at Springfields Festival Gardens. As you can see, we have an array of abstract and alternative contemporary art. This particular piece over here, as you can see, I've formulated around eyes and being able to see and vision. And what I've done is I've actually managed to use not only acrylic paint but also house paint to create some of the texture and curves. And as you can see, extremely figurative, but at the same time still abstract. As part of our recycle, reuse and redesign project, we've been reusing these masks from previous festival events, and as you can see, we've gone with some splatter painting and various other spray paint marks as well to give it some texture and make it a little bit different. Currently on view in the Senses Garden at Springfields Festival Gardens are some sculptures and interactive artwork that I've been creating here, and we're currently in the process of starting to develop and maintain musical instruments with an artistic twist on them. And there is a piano which has been created by myself involving textures and stone, but it's still got some of its musical elements. However, you probably couldn't play any Tchaikovsky on it. However, it has the ability to be used by anyone and everyone who attends the sensory garden. Those within the autistic community or from any other form of community will be able to engage with the particular pieces of artwork and sculpture in the sensory garden. It's been very important that we have made it as accessible for every person, no matter age or additional needs.